Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School. We have been discussing models in our last class. We had understood what models are, how they are used, what kind of a purpose do they serve while making this, while coming up with these sentences and all. So now we'll be taking forward with understanding a few more models. We were done with will and shall, and will's negative is will not, and shall's negative is shall not. We are done with that, and now we are going to move to the next one, that is would, and whose negative is would not or wouldn't. Wouldn't because it's more, I have written wouldn't here because that is more of a common thing which has been used in saying and everything. This is a small topic. Would, it expresses past habits, polite request, wish, preference, or an imaginary condition. Past habits, polite request, wish and preference, or an imaginary condition. For example, my mother would always make me my फेवरेट डिशेस कि मेरी मदर जो है वो हमेशा मेरे लिए मेरी फेवरेट डिशेस बनाया करती थी. पास हैबिट नॉट एबिलिटी, ये चीज ध्यान रखना. ठीक है, ऐसा करा करते थे वो इन द पास्ट. शी डजंट डू इट नाउ, शी यूज्ड टू डू इट एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. देन द नेक्स्ट वन इज आई वुड लाइक टू सी द ओनर. दैट्स अ पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट कि मैं ओनर से मिलना चाहूंगी. ठीक है. Next one is I would rather have food at home than outside. But I would like to have food at home than outside. So one person is choosing one thing over the other one means one person is preferring one thing over the other one. That is why it will take a would. Okay, and then I would buy a house if I won the lottery. So I won, winning the lottery is an imaginary situation. अब imagine कर रहे हो कि अगर ऐसा हुआ तो I will do that. You're imagining all those things. That is why it will take would. Okay. Then there is should. Should will express moral, duty and obligations. Duty and obligation are expressed by should. But both this duty and obligations are moral. ऐसा कोई hard and fast rule नहीं है that you will have to follow it, but that's a moral duty or a moral obligation. ठीक है? It is used to express possibility और सपोजिशन और assumption. आप कोई चीज अगर assume कर रहे हो, possibility बता रहे हो किसी चीज की, then this is used, and it is used with lest when the purpose after lest is out of fear. अगर आप fear के मारे कोई purpose state कर रहे हो lest के बाद में, तो it will take should. For example, we should help the poor. This is our duty, this is our obligation, this is an advice, and this is something one should do. But that is not a hard and fast rule नहीं है कि अगर नहीं किया तो जेल हो जाएगा या something of that sort. It's just a duty which everybody should follow, and that's a moral duty. किसी ने force नहीं किया हमारे ऊपर, लेकिन ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि हम ऐसा करें. ठीक है. Then there is I think she should be at home now. Okay, she should be at home now. तो ये कब assumption कर रहे हो, possibility बता रहे हो, supposing कर रहे हो कि ऐसा हो सकता है अभी. You're not sure, but possibly such things might happen. ठीक है, तो that is supposition or assumption. Then there is purpose after less. Concentrate less you should trip and fall. कि ध्यान दो otherwise तुम गिर जाओगे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे that falling is out of fear. Person is scared that you might fall down. That is why it is it taking should. Okay. Then we have may or may not. May expresses permission. Okay, it is generally used for a formal permission. Then doubt uncertainty, doubt or uncertainty, and also for possibility, where there are chances of something happening, then you use may for expressing possibility. It is also an auxiliary verb which is used to express a wish or purpose. Okay, so may I leave now is a permission, generally for a formal one. Then the next one is she may arrive at the airport in time if she hurries. So this is a doubtful thing कि वो आ पाएगी या नहीं आ पाएगी, but still there's a doubt over it. ठीक है कि if she hurries, she may arrive, and that is also doubtful. So we are taking may. It may rain today that is a possibility कि बारिश हो सकती है because some clouds are visible or something on that side. Then may you live long, that's a wish. And she works efficiently that a job may continue. This is a purpose कि वो काम अच्छे से क्यों कर रही है ताकि उसकी जॉब के ऊपर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आए. She gets a job properly. That is why she is working efficiently. So doing some work for some purpose to identify or to mark that purpose, she is giving the sentence is taking may. Okay. Then might not express permission or possibility. Possibility here is a rare possibility. Chances जब कम होते हैं किसी चीज के होने के तब we take might. Okay. Might I borrow your pen? That's a small request, or you can take it as a permission also. And approach also. She might tell him the secret she has with her. ठीक है कि उसके पास अगर कोई सीक्रेट है तो शायद वो उसको बता दे. तो here is a possibility also. And approach, because if the person approaches or there's a this is a possibility and this is an approach which might happen. ठीक है, with that sense it works. Next is can, cannot. Can, which is cannot or can't. ठीक है. Which is I can ride for 10 kilometers on a bicycle. I can ride a bicycle for 10 kilometers. That is my ability. ठीक है. मेरी एबिलिटी है कि मैं 10 किलोमीटर तक बाइक साइकिल जो है वो चला सकती हूँ. क्या तो एबिलिटी को पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए कैन होता है. आई कैन नॉट अगर आ जाता तो ये नेगेटिव में चला जाता. कैन आई टेक माई पेन? परमिशन. वी सॉ दैट परमिशन वाज फॉर मे आल्सो. मे इज मोर ऑफ अ फॉर्मल परमिशन एंड कैन इज मोर ऑफ अ इनफॉर्मल परमिशन. ओके. एनीवन कैन रीच इट, डोंट वरी. पॉसिबिलिटी है कि यहाँ पे कोई भी पहुंच सकता है. दैट इज अ पॉसिबल थिंग. It's not an impossible thing or something. So that's why this is being used. Could not. If we compare can and could, there's only one thing which is same. That is that can is for expressing present ability and could is for expressing past ability. Okay, can is for present and could is for past. I could play for hours in my childhood. That is my past ability. जब मैं बच्ची थी तब मैं ये काम कर सकती थी. अब I cannot do that. That is could. Okay, polite request. When you are requesting something very politely, so you take could. Could you wait for a second, please? कि क्या तुम 1 मिनट के लिए wait कर सकते हो? क्या तुम 1 सेकंड के लिए wait कर सकते हो? Very politely telling the person that can you please wait? Okay, and then possibility, and the thing which you need to keep in mind here is that the possibility is circumstantial. Means कि अगर एक circumstances या एक situation fulfill होती है तभी वो चीज possible है. Otherwise it is not possible. Like if he had money, he could get his higher education in England. अगर उसके पास पैसे होते, then he could get his education in England. But if he doesn't have it, this is not possible. तो possibility तो है, but that is circumstantial. For making that possibility happen, you need to have some circumstance कि ऐसा होएगा तभी ये होएगा. ठीक है. Then we have must, must not. Must not is for compulsion, strong moral obligation, fixed determination, duty, certainty, and inevitability. So clearly it is shown here that that is for more important or more forced things कि होना ही पड़ेगा. इसके बिना तो आपका काम चलेगा ही नहीं types. ठीक है. Children must obey their parents. This is not a obligation, but it's a strong moral obligation. आपको माननी ही पड़ेगी. If you don't have basically an other option other than listening to your parents. Okay, I must get back my first position in the class. That is my determination which I have made. मेरे को ये तो करना ही है. That is a determination and that has been fixed. I have made that determination. Okay. Duty, a judge must be upright. That a judge must be upright. He should be fair in his decisions and everything. So that's a duty which a judge must follow. She must be off by this time. This is a certainty कि अभी तक तो वो free हो जाती है तो अभी तक वो free हो गई होगी. An inevitability, which is we all must die. Every person who is born has to die someday or the other day, and that is inevitable. उसको कोई भी नकार नहीं सकता, उसको कोई भी रोक नहीं सकता. So that is that sentences which show inevitability, that will always take must. Okay, then we have ought to, and the negative is ought not to. It has uses differently in present and future tense and in past tense. In present and future tense it has desirability और moral obligation and duties. ठीक है, कोई चीज जो आपको करनी चाहिए या कोई moral obligation है या duty है present का या future का, something which will work in present also and in future also, so it will take ought to. For example, she ought to have we ought to love our neighbors, कि हमें हमारे neighbors से प्यार करना चाहिए. We ought to help our neighbors, we ought to stay cooperative. अभी भी and in future also this is a thing. ठीक है, कि अभी भी करना चाहिए और फ्यूचर में भी इन चीजों को फॉलो करना चाहिए. ठीक है, then past in past tense it is a past obligation that was not fulfilled. past पुराना कोई obligation था किसी का और वो अगर fulfill नहीं हुआ है, if that hasn't been fulfilled, then it will take ought. She ought to have helped me, उसको मेरी मदद करनी चाहिए थी लेकिन उसने नहीं करी. कब? In the past tense. The players ought to work hard for the match. These kind of sentences will take ought to just the way we take should. Should और ought to जो है वो कुछ sentences में replace हो सकते हैं और वो ऐसे sentences हैं. The players ought to work hard for the match. Then we have need or need not, needn't. This expresses only one thing, that is necessity. कोई भी चीज अगर जरूरी है, अगर वो नहीं करोगे तो आपको सर्कमस्टांसेस या कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस फेस करने पड़ेंगे, तो उसमें आप क्या लेते हो? नीड या नीड नॉट. ठीक है, शी नीड्स अ लिटिल रेस्ट. इफ शी डजंट टेक अ लिटिल रेस्ट शी मे फॉल इल. ठीक है, उसको रेस्ट की जरूरत है. ये इतनी सारी बातें जो मैंने बोली वो सेंटेंस में नहीं है, लेकिन द वर्ड नीड्स make that clear that it is very important. If she doesn't do that, she might have to face consequences. They didn't need to work so hard. इसका जो है वो didn't लगा के भी हम इसको negative बना सकते हैं. ठीक है, they didn't need to work so hard and then he needed write all of them. उसको वो सारे लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, then we have used to and the last one is have to. Used to is to express a discontinued habit. कोई habit जो आपने अब छोड़ दिया, आप नहीं कर रहे, तो उसके लिए आप used to लोगे. And also for accustomed to, किसी चीज की अगर आपको आदत है या नहीं है तो you will use accustomed to. ठीक है, they used to go swimming every morning. वो लोग हर सुबह swimming करने के लिए जाते थे. That is a past habit. They do not go now. ठीक है, I used to live there when I was a boy. When I was a boy, I used to live there. Now that habit has been discontinued. अब मैं कहीं और रहने लग गई. ठीक है, and the last one is I'm not used to harsh climate. मुझे इतनी तेज गर्मी की या इतनी तेज सर्दी की आदत नहीं है. You're not accustomed to it. You're not habitual to it. ठीक है, we use used to. And the last one is have to. Negative is haven't. This is to express obligation. Today we have to attend a wedding. ये आपका एक obligation. It's neither a moral obligation nor a strong obligation, but it is more of a social obligation. ठीक है, it's more of a social obligation which one should follow. That was it for models. I hope everything was clear to all of you. You understood what models are and what is their use in a sentence. Thank you.